Imagine being in a hospital bed after a serious accident, or a mother losing blood during childbirth, or a child battling cancer, and you're being told that there is no blood available in the hospital blood bank. Fascinating, right? Every year, every day, blood is needed to save lives. Just one blood donation can save up to three lives. Today, we mark World Blood Donor Day, and I'm just here to talk about why blood donation matters and why blood donors should be celebrated. Blood donation is simply giving your blood voluntarily to save lives, to save those in need of it. Now, when blood is collected, it is processed, tested, and then several components of the blood are separated from the initial blood collected. That is, you can get red blood cell, your white blood cell, your platelets, your plasma, depending on the need of the patient. So one blood donation can actually save several people. Blood cannot be manufactured in the laboratory. It's the only thing that cannot be replaced. Blood is the only thing that cannot be replaced in the human body. This is the main reason why we need people to donate their blood. That little act, that simplest act of giving out your blood is the greatest gift that you have given to somebody in need of it. You have saved a life without knowing. Why do we need blood donors? Every day we have accident occurrence. A pregnant woman battling with her life in the theater and losing blood. People with cancer issues, people suffering from sickle cell anemia, people suffering from anemia and other kind of blood disorders that I can list. Blood is very important. But here's the challenge. Blood has a particular shelf life and cannot last more than that shelf life. For red blood cell, it is 120 days. And then when blood is collected in the blood bank, it can only last for about 32 to 42 days, depending on the preservative that is used to keep it. This is why we need blood donors every single time, because the blood you donated the other time, if not used or if not found used by an urgent individual, or the fragment that was left can get expired, can get no expired, you might not be able to use them again because of its shelf life. That's why we need donors every single time. This is why hospitals need donors every single day. People are in need of blood. Simply put, when there is no donor, there is no blood. And when there is no blood, lives can be lost. Blood donors should be voluntary. A person should donate blood genuinely because they want to help or because they care, and not because they are forced. Reason being that a voluntary donor can give and will always give accurate information about their health. You should not be cajoled, you should not be paid to donate blood to someone that is in need of it. We should donate blood freely, because the value comes from giving this blood freely because you care. Because you care. Because you might never get to meet this person that you donated that blood to, but you are doing it out of the goodwill of your heart. Many religion teaches love, compassion, sacrifice, and helping those in need. Let me tell you, blood donation is a practical way to show these values. I've heard of cases where there are some certain people that do not believe in blood donation. And it's not like they're exempted from situations that can make them be in need of blood. The idea of keeping your own blood till when you are in need of it is cringe, because I just explained that blood has a shelf life. Yes, it does. And your blood cannot last forever, except you want to be donating your blood every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, and you don't even know when. You may never be in need of it. But here's the thing: when you donate blood for others to use, you're showing love, you're showing compassion, you're showing sacrifice, that you care, even when you don't know these persons. I would advise that religious leaders, religious entities should begin to show love by blood donation. Blood donors are everyday heroes. They don't wear capes, they don't seek fame. Most times they may never meet the people they help, but that little act of theirs has saved a life. It brought hope to someone in emergency. It brought hope to that person that thought he was going to die because there was no blood for him to be sustained. I believe that blood donors should be celebrated every day and every time. As we mark World Blood Donor Day today, I just want to encourage you. If you've never donated blood before, you can take a step too. But make sure you're healthy. Make sure you're fine. You'll be tested. Your blood will be tested. You'll go through procedures. But make sure you're healthy enough to donate that blood. And think of it as you giving out love to the community. If that's like the barest minimum you can do. Yet, Health Unfiltered replied, we're here to just tell you and celebrate the day with you. And to all blood donors out there, may God continue to reward you. May God continue to bless you. May Lord continue to empower you and help you as you continue to do this good work. Mind you, as a blood donor, please, I know we are told these things at the hospital, but some people don't do it, probably because of the money they are paid. Yes, you are to donate your blood depending on the constituent taken for red blood cell every 3 months. Every 3 months. Please, you did not donate blood today and you're going back there next month to donate your blood, or next 2 weeks to donate your blood. Please take your time, walk through the process. We could do it twice a year, we could do it 3 times a year, but nothing more than that. Your donation may take few minutes, but it lasts for a lifetime. Give blood, give hope, save lives. Health Unfiltered with pride.